Hello everybody, here we are again at the beach in Bavaro with Punta Cana, all you can see. We're at the beach of Bibiagua, that's between the Lopesan and the Barcelo. The Lopesan, you can see here behind me, it's still closed. The people that you see there, it's people that live here. There is a little bit here at the California. Over there, that's a beach club. If you come here, you can go to the beach club and order your food or drinks. And then behind me is a Barcelo resort. This is where we are going now. So here you have the beach from the Barcelo. Over there is the Barcelo Beach. And there starts the Barcelo Palace, I think, or this is still beach and further on is a palace. You see there's a little bit seagrass, but look over here, I'm walking in the water and there's nothing in the water. So it's very, very nice. The good thing here at the Barcelo is that it's usually calm. Where you see the white, there we have the reef. Oh, there you can see catamaran, a little one. So here at this end, the ocean is mostly quiet and you almost always can go in here. You wouldn't even need a snorkeling equipment here. As you can see everything from up here. Look, oh, wrong direction. Huh? What you can see there, we call it La Laguna Bavaro, but obviously it's just a little spot where the water is very shallow. The laguna is behind it, you can see it. We still call it Laguna Bavaro. And the boats that are there, this is an excursion spot. So from all the hotels or from all the boat excursions that come from the coast, up to Majestic and I don't know where, they all have excursions that take you to La Laguna de Bavaro, and you stop there. Some of the boats have a slide, you go in the water, you have some drinks, some have food there, and it's quite busy if you come in high season. It's nice, I'll be honest, I don't like it when there are too many boats, but that's what it is in high season. Maybe you see the helicopters flying up there. They are 3, and I know that for sure the two red ones, they are from Helidosa. I think so. And when you're here on vacation, you also can book a helicopter flight. You can book with any rep, or you can go to their website. It's Helidosa. You find them here. Let me see. Yeah, you can book it on their website, Helidosa. And then they come to the lobby and pick you up. And you take a little flight. Depending on how long your flight is, you pay. Of course, it's not an activity that's super, super cheap. But for people who like the flying, it's totally worth it. Shopping Center Bibiagua. Just between the Barcelo and the Lopesan. There is a California, the beach bar I told you about.
Okay, now you can come to see the cigar shop, marijuana shop, and rum, coffee.
La cigar, con fruta,
Sí.
cigar, mamajuana short. Aurora cigar.
So just if you wonder, Mama Juana,
The Mama Juana original, ready to drink. Yeah.
ready to drink.
Yes.
Let's try.
I got coffee,
See.
cacao, the cream. Yeah.
So.
Yeah. Like this.
See, so
A good price.
it's English. Don't be shy. Go check it. If you like it, you like it. If you don't like it, you don't like it.